Hi everyone, bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome back to my channel. It's Back Passionate and today I'm making a comparison video between my Pliage Neo XS and my from Longchamp, sorry, and my Longchamp Pliage Paris Saint Tropez. I'm making this video because maybe some of you got this bag and are wondering if this one who was just launched got the same capacity and are interesting to see exactly how it works. I have already done some videos about those two bags on my channel, so you can check if you want to have more information. It's the unboxing videos. So again, a little reminder, this bag is no more produced by Lonchamp. It was now replaced by Le Pliage Alpine, which is a seasonal collection, and Le Pliage Energy. And there are some quite difference, and I already show and I have already done a video about the difference between the two bags. And so yes, you can check my channel and see all the videos about the bags and the new one. So at the moment I am using this one, so I will take my stuff and put all in this and you will see. Concerning dimension, I will write in inches, but there are some difference. For example, the Neo XS is 17 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. The Paris Saint Tropez is 15 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and 11 centimeter. So let's see. In my Pliage Neo, I got a tiny water bottle, mint. You can see it was really, it fits. And cream, some tissues, my key, my wallet from Lonchamp, Flonnet, my notebook, my phone, my two card holders from Lonchamp and Hermes, because sometimes you need two card holders, my Bastia purse, and hand sanitizer. So that was, oh sorry, I forgot my pen. All my stuff in this bag. So now, let's see if I can put inside. Oops. Slip. Okay, so I take my card holders, my phone, my notebook, my wallet, purse, my mint, my hand cream, my hand sanitizer, okay, my pen because I need it, some tissues, and my case. And you can see I can close it perfectly and everything go inside without problem. I can, if I want, put the water bottle like this and carry it like this. For me, it's not a problem because I am used to take my bag and hold them all day long with the handles. But for those who are not familiar with this, well, you can do like this. For example, not all the time I got my mint and my hand cream, so I can put the bottle of water. Okay. And it closes. So I can take my bottle of water without problem. So something. Both bags got removable straps, removable straps, so you can carry with handle, but only the Pliage Neo got an adjustable strap. The strap from Paris Saint Tropez, I will include mod shot, is only removable but not adjustable, but I can tell by the length you can easily have it on your shoulder and even crossbody. So this bag is available in many colors. Mine is in burgundy, but you can find it in gold, yellow, orange, black, green, so you have a choice. So concerning price, this one retails for €150, I will link in dollar, and the Neo Pliage used to be €140, so there is a difference of €10, and we can tell that the price is similar. And for this one, as it isn't normal produced, but if you're interested and you want to find one, you can call your Lonchamp boutique, and if they have some stock, they will be more than happy to sell the stocks to you. Or you can try on internet, some resellers still have stock. For example, mine, I bought it from a reseller in brand new condition. It was new, it was an old stock, but I got it. So you can try to find this one. So yes, I hope my video was helpful, and if you have more questions and more comments to make, do not hesitate to write. I will be more than happy to help you and to give you some information. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and why not consider subscribing to my channel, it will be a pleasure. And I wish you a great day. Thanks for watching. Merci d'avoir regardé. Passez une très bonne journée. Et je vous dis à bientôt. Bye guys!